Vision 2020 for us, we've put a number to it. We say a 1 billion organization by 2020. But it's more than that. It's about creating an organization of scale, of size, a homegrown organization that can compete head on head with international firms, that can create opportunities for people to have careers within our organization, an organization that can have a significant impact in the market, in the space that we operate in. It's a very big vision. We believe we will get to that vision mainly through or potentially through organic growth, which we have seen happening quite substantially in just the first year of our measure. But because it's such a big vision, it's also going to be through acquisitive growth, where we look for other organizations that share the vision that we have, that we can bring on board. We are in a changing environment, and that means as businesses, we need to learn to be nimble and responsive to those changes. And a merger in itself is a big change. So we've really had to learn to be responsive to our people. And one of the critical things in a changing environment is to be able to effectively communicate to your teams and to everybody else about the changes